eating cake! Where? Where's cake? Why are we eating that? We haven't even eaten our cake yet! Hindi kayo nag-aano ka? Hindi kayo nag-aano? Wala na, alis na tayo. Let's go, let's go. Alis na, let's go.
Kain kami. Ate, Yumi.
Yumi is like, oh, there's an anchor on!
Actually,
Mas malaki yung atin! Oh, that's nice. The cake. Thank you, Kumi, kasi tinakam mo kami. Kaya kakain natin kami ngayon.
Kumi 17. Sabayan ka natin.
Go. You spice. Okay, I'll second go. I'm hungry, so this is perfect. Ito, Kumi, ha? Tatapat mo kita. Mas malaki yung cake namin. Oh my God.
Galing.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Wait, this is so fun.
Thank you.
Yay! No, you can share for team. Okay, let's share first. Okay. Okay, let's eat cake together to me. Yay!
Yumi 17, thank you for coming and for the anchor cake. Very cool.
I will use chopstick. Let's do it.
Coming together. Wait, Ate Kumi 17, what's your real name? Shut up, she's unmuted. What's your...
Oh my God. The laptop has icing now.
Ate Kumi 17, what's your real name? Queen. Ate Queen. Okay. Ate Queen. Fine. Okay. Okay, go.
No. Me. Alright.
Let's go. Gusto mo? Oh gosh. Kuya Rex's tongue is
Let's
blue.
do a pose that we give them cake.
Okay. Let's give the anchors cake. Be careful, it makes your mouth blue.
Sorry.
Okay.
It's so yummy. Who has more cake there? Please give us.
Masarap yung sa gitna.
Yum. Here. Look at my tongue.
Okay, wait. Ford wants some cake. Kuya Ford, use your cake.
Is this a candle? Oh, it's not a candle.
Say
Oh, here. This is our one. Okay, let's put the 1 year candle.
So cute.
Thank you, guys. Yum.
Oh, it's blue.
Let's do more photos while we're eating cake. This has become a mukbang now.
Yeah. Oh, look at Andy.
Yes. If you don't have cake, any food, just eat with us.
That's true. Yes.
Get some snack, then let's take a picture with your snacks. Okay.
Eat balloon.
Eat balut. Oh, wow. Here, let's go.
Can I have your? Okay.
Let's go.
Hey. Guys, are you? Come on, in the people in the chat, people everywhere. Are you guys having fun right now?
Oh, yeah. Let's sing happy birthday again.
People are saying,
No, it should be fun. We're just eating.
Jiro.
Sing happy birthday for me. Yo, why?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yes.
Thank you.
You know what, guys? I've seen even kanina like Lola. I've seen Lola's join,
Oh,
and it's so
cute.
I noticed it to see Lolas and little anchors to join. Thank you po sa pagpunta, everyone.
Yes, thank you so much
From
for
the
celebrating.
little kids to the elderly
Yes.
people. You guys, we love you. All.
Anchors is family.
Yes.